Text Writing Module Function Introduction Edit Text. Text Input. This command inputs single-line text. Click the Text Input function. Enter the text content. Select the font style. After entering the text, click the right button. Select the line, text, or dimension to determine the angle. For horizontal input, simply press the spacebar. Specify the text position. Single-line text input completed. General Editing. This function edits any type of text, including plain text, dimension text, axis labels, index callout attributes, and text within blocks. Click the General Editing function. Select the text to edit. Enter the new text in the content box and click OK. General Editing completed. Text Match. This command is used to convert text written in CAD into ordinary text. Click the Text Match function. Select Source Text. Select Target Object. Press space to complete the text matching. Convert text to text. This command converts text objects in the drawing into single-line text entities. Click the Convert Text to Text function. Select Objects. Text-to-text conversion completed. Text Parallel. This command is used to change the text angle, rotating the text to be parallel to a known line and moving it to the desired annotation position. Click the Text Parallel function. Select the text to be processed. Select the text or line dimension to determine the angle or input angle. Specify the text position, text aligned parallel to line completed. Recognize text. This command is used to filter out all the text from the DWG file, write it into a TXT file, and save it to the folder where the DWG file is located. Click the Recognize Text function. Locate the DWG file you want to extract text from and click Open. The program will automatically recognize and save the text from the DWG file to a TXT file with the same name in the same folder. Text recognition completed. Translation replacement. This command is used to replace the original content with text from a fixed format text file. It must be a fixed format text file, usually a text file generated by the text extraction command that can be used for the translation replacement command. Edit the text content in the TXT file. Click the Translation Replacement function. Select the corresponding text file when translating graphic files. Click the Open button. DWG file has been replaced. Thanks for watching. Best for all Explorer software.